Good morning friends. I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today I am going to show you how to make one fairy garden, miniature fairy garden at your home. So today I will be going to show you how to make one desert fairy garden. So before that you have to select one terracotta pot which is for generally used for making bonsai. So this is the bonsai fairy top and you can use it, and before that you have to select one such type of pot where such holes are there so that the soils and water can come out from here, water can pass there, and for that you have to put one net here so that soils should not come out from there. So this one is selected. Friends, first of all I am giving some sand gravels here. At the bottom of the pot use some sand gravels. So I am putting some sand gravels at the bottom of the pond. This one is sand gravel layer so that the water can be passed from here easily. So this one is gravel. Now friends, for making a cactus mix you have to mix three things. One is river sand, other is coco peat, and this one is leaf mold. These three items are used for cactus mix. So I am mixing all these items, 1/3 of the portions. This one I am mixing the coco peat, and this one I am mixing some leaf mold. So all the three combined will form the mix for our today's cactus mix. So this one is cactus mix I am mixing here. This one is suitable for cactus growing. So friends, cactus mix is ready. Now I will be filling this with this cactus mix here. So these are the cactus mix for growing of the cactus. Different kinds of cactus I am going to grow here, and this one is cactus mix. This one is cactus mix. So friends, once the cactus mix is filled up, then I am be putting one fairy here, and then some one pot toy here, and I am giving one guitar here over, so the playing of the things. Now I will be putting all the cactus, different types of cactus here. I have some collections of small cacti. All these species are Mammillaria, Echinopsis, Echinocactus, Labifolia, and one small plant that is Adenium species. So I am going to put it here, grow it here, and then I will decorate with some sands and stones and pebbles with some toys here that should look nice. So step by step I am going to show you how I am putting these things. Now I am growing, make some small hole, and I am growing Mammillaria species here. So this one is Mammillaria. I am growing here Mammillaria, and Echinopsis and Echinocactus. I am growing here Echinocactus, Echinopsis species here. So this one, all you have the cacti, you grow here and put some pressure here so that these are looking nice. You place here all this, and now I am decorating all this with so many types of cacti and one adenium, and so I am going to show you. So now I am putting two cacti here. This one is cacti, one cactus here, placing one cactus here, other one, this one here, placing some cactus, and I will be growing all the pots, all the toys here, and then I will decorate with some sand so that some desert look comes here, and then I will put some pebbles and stones, and then decorate all the things, and finally I will put some water so that it can survive. So friends, now I will be putting one windmill here. So these are all the toys you can get from any toy shop. So one windmill here, and it will move like this windmill here. And now I will be have a look of the desert look. I am placing some sand here so that this look like a desert. So I am placing some sand, a small layer of sand, so that it can have a look like a desert. this is now, it's a nice desert. So friends, now I will be putting some colored pebbles here so that it can make one road here, over here, and it will look nice. Give it a look nice, good nice, and it would look have a good look over it, and this will make a road over here. So this is made of pebbles. Friends, we have completed the road towards the ferry. So this one is the road. So we will be putting some big stones, color stones over here. So this will be in the back side of the. So we will be putting some big rocks here that will give it a good look. So these are very nice looking rocks we will be putting here. So here and there we will be putting some big nice rocks. So I am putting here nice rocks, good nice rocks here and there. So this one is complete rocks, and if you want you can give some marble stones also. So these are the marble stones. So these also look nice, that open space you can put some marble stones here. So this will also look nice, the marble stones I am putting. And if you want, you can change according to your taste and according to your availability of the things. You can change the things and put the things here. So it would a nice desert garden. So you can make it your home with them. So you have to put it in the window so that at least 3 to 4 hours sunlight comes here. So this one is totally basically an outdoor fairy garden. So you can do it and you can put it inside your room for a while, 1 or 2 days. Again you have to take out to the sun, keep it for 1 day. Again you can take inside the room, or you can put it in the windows so that the light can pass, because the cactus cannot live without sunlight. So now we have to water it for a little amount, not much, and water once in a week, not more than that. So this is a nice looking the fairy garden. My fairy garden is complete. Desert fairy garden. This is mainly composed of cactus and cacti and all this plant, and single one adenium. So this is look nice and you can keep it in your table, but it is needs some sunlight. So you may put it in window. So if you like my video, you can press the like button or share my video, or if you like, you subscribe my channel, and I will be very thankful to you if you subscribe my channel. And thank you very much. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you very much.